Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Spooky Box, Back Quarter Shop exclusive. Here's the box. It says treats, no tricks. Okay. It says share your box using the Spook Box. Hashtag the Spook Box. This is what it looks like. So there is a button box. This is lime colored. It's a small. Yes, it does unscrew. So you can put some whatever buttons, pins, whatever you'd like in there. We have some orange thread, Wonderfill 200 yards. It is polyester, 40 weights. That's what it looks like. I hope that's not too blurry. Let's see what we have here. We have our little booklet, which gives us the discounts, tells us everything that's in the box. Okay, we have Patchy Pumpkins limited edition box exclusive pattern. When it's finished, it'll be a 16.5 by 50.5, so it is a table runner. Looks like that. And then there is the batting for it. 19 by 55 inch, ideal for your Patchy Pumpkins table runner. Is that cotton? That is 80% natural cotton, 20% superior polyester. And then we have, it is 10-inch squares. 22 10-inch squares. Okay, let's unwrap it here. Get my scissors in there. Take a look at it. Okay. And these are Dot to Dot Boo, Me and My Sister designs. See if I can get it unwrapped here. And let me hold it up. Now some of these fabrics, if you watched my video of the 2018 mystery quilt, this fabric was in it. That Boo to You. Now this one wasn't. That's different. These are some pretty oranges. This color was in it. Wow, this one can play a trick on your eyes right here. Woo-wee! Especially if you were wearing that as a blouse. Goodness. I did have this here. Here's some kitty cats. That one's black with white background and orange polka dots. And this one is the orange cats, white background, black polka dots. And then the opposite of the orange with the black spider webs, and this is the black spiders with the orange spider webs. Excuse me. And here's white with the little orange colored circles, black circles with orange inside. And then this fabric is actually the back of the Boo quilt that I made. I haven't finished it yet. When I get it finished, I'll show you the whole thing done. And then we have some black, let's see, a couple of these. And this also was in it. Here comes that stuff that plays with your eyes. The wavy, except now it's black and white. And you'll recognize it as to whether it was in the quilt or not. This is something different. There's that. And here's some of the cats again. And now we have our spiders on the webs that are orange. Okay, and that is everything in the box. Make sure, yes it is. So I hope you like this video, and this was a special box now, so they don't have any more of these boxes out. You can't go and get them. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time. And thank you everybody for watching. Bye-bye. I also wanted to mention real quick that that orange thread is actually glow in the dark. I saw that after I got off the video here. There's all the fabric. And there's where it shows the glow in the dark thread.